Guys, could you spend a nearly £1,000 on a small bag like this? This is Fendi Nano Fendigraphy, and I'm not going to lie, you guys, it's absolutely beautiful and bold. But I have to ask myself, is it actually practical? So in today's video, I'm sharing my first impressions, showing you guys exactly what fits inside the bag and multiple ways to style this bad boy. And whether this tiny luxury bag really worth it. Because when I tried to fit in my essentials inside this bag, let's just say I was so surprised. It looks so small, but it's big. That means small but mighty, isn't it? Here comes my bad boy or baby girl. Here comes it. I'm in love. Are you in love? Omo, you don't make me fall in love. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your babe Asanwa baby. Hello, welcome. If you're new to my channel, hello, good to see you. And if you're already a subby, hello, good to see you back again. Today I'll be doing a review on Fendigraphy and what can fit inside the bag. Hey, yeah, this is my new baby in the house. Yes, it's my new baby. Yeah. So if you have not seen my unboxing video, I'm going to link it up here and I'm going to link it in the info section as well. So this is a Fendigraphy in nano. So they have it in nano, they have it in small, and they have it in medium. So, but I picked mine in nano because I always wanted a nano bag. Yeah, this is the bad boy. This is my baby boy. Yeah, the baby in town at the moment. So this is how the bag is. Yeah, and the bag is made with a black leather. The leather is a smooth leather. It's embellished with vintage gold metal lettering of Fendi on it, which they cover with a plastic. So you can leave it like this, or if you want, you can remove all the plastic. And it has a fastening zip. So on the inside, you get the authentication card, and this is how the inside is. It's lined with a yellow foil inside. I don't know what the material is called, but I'm trying to check it, but it didn't say what material of the bag is. So on this side, it has this flap by the side and it's written Fendi, and it has no zip in the inside. So this is how it looks like, and it has a hook here, so which you can hook it like this. So this is what makes this bag so unique. So you hook it like this and it's like a mini bag, and it can be worn on your wrist. So like this, yeah. And for me, because my wrist is not that big, it kind of falling out, but yeah, can be worn on your wrist. Well, here will be okay like this. Yeah, what do you guys think? Like wearing it like this, but I know you can be walking like this. So yeah, and then it has a hook here where you can put a long strap. So if you have a long strap or you have an adjustable strap, you can hook it here. And on Fendi's side, they sell a strap, a chain strap that you can hook it. Or I love how they put this hook so that it will make it more easy accessible, because sometimes you can wear it on your wrist and sometimes you can wear it as a cross bag, which is good. So either you have it like this and put the long strap, or you open it like this and still put the long strap in between like this, then it's like this. Isn't it very beautiful bag? Yeah. And this letter Fendi, you can use it like something like, you can, let's say like when you're sitting it on the table, it's going to sit like this, then it hides the design. Yeah, but you can keep it like this on the table. Yeah, so keeping it on this, like on the table, is going to look good, isn't it? Yeah. But what I love this, like when you keep it like this, it will prevent the bag from scratching, because keeping it like this all the time might scratch the edge of the bag. So mindful. And on the zip, yeah, nothing is written on the zip, but on the hook here is written Fendi on it. Yeah, this is a very mini bag, and this you can attach it on your bag. You know, like when you have a big bag, you can attach this one across the bag, and you can still have this bag on your wrist and have another bag with you as well. This is going to be like evening bag, depending on where you're going, that like you don't need to carry so much things, so this will be perfect for it. So like dinner, like party, yeah, but then you're going to hold your phone in your hand. So the size of the bag, they said the height, I'm going to put the size here. So the height is 14 cm and the depth is 5 cm and the width is 16.5 cm. The bag, it has a weight to it. It's not like a lightweight bag, maybe because of this Fendi letters they have on the bottom that makes it to have so much weight. So we are going to see what can fit inside Nano Fendigraphy bag. So these are the things that I tend to like, I want to put inside there. So I'm going to, because yeah, so the first thing I'm going to put inside, I'm going to put this my Dior perfume. Like, I know you can't carry your this thing, your perfume, but just to show you guys what can fit inside the bag. And this is a lip gloss by P. Louise. Okay, this is a hand cream by Mary Kay. So we add this one here. So I'm going to add my AirPod in. So add my mirror. You can't do it without mirror, isn't it? Yeah. So I'll add my card. Add my lipstick. Add a lip gloss. Add another lip gloss. Add my keys. Yeah. So everything on in fit in. So I will try to close it to see if it's going to close. Yeah, it's kind of hard to close. Why? Because of the mirror. So I'm going to take the mirror out. If I take the mirror out, it's going to close. Yeah, and so you can have it like this, isn't it, with your strap? Yeah, so which is good. But let's say if I want to do it this way, if it's going to work. Yeah, it does. Oh my gosh, this bag is small but mighty. Yeah, I didn't expect like so much things to fit inside this bag. Oh my gosh. And for it to be able to close, that means it still have some space inside. Oh, wow. First impression, overwhelmed. Yeah, it looks so small but it's big. That means small but mighty, isn't it? So let's say if I want to have my mirror, yeah, then I'm going to remove this Dior perfume. But this is the smallest perfume I have. So let's say I took it off and put my mirror. Let me see if my mirror can close. With the mirror, yeah. So without the Dior, it still fits. Yeah, it can be able to close. Wow, I'm much impressed. At least most of my essentials can be able to fit in. Even my cable can fit in. Oh my gosh, that's good. Yes, that's good. That's good. So you can see I still have more space by the side here. I don't know if you guys can see. I have space by the side. So that means I can fit in another lipstick. Maybe if I want to have two lipstick, I can be able to fit in another lipstick. So, and on the zip as well, by the side of the zip is written FF. So opposite directions. Yeah. So I'm going to add my, this is my Gucci wallet bag. So I'm going to take the strap because it has a chain. I'm going to take the chain and attach it on this Fendi graphic and see. So guys, if you're still watching up till now with me, don't forget to give this video a big like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Comment and tell me what you think about this Fendi bag, and share my videos and check out my other videos because I have an interesting videos that you will like as well. And when I was buying this bag, in my mind I said I'm going to have it with this my Gucci strap. But then because my Gucci strap has like let me show you how the Gucci bag is. So inside is like this. You can only hook it here. Yeah, you see. So yeah, so you need a strap that has a hook so you can attach on it so it can be able to hold. Oh my god, I'm going to tie it like this. So let's see, we are just testing, isn't it? the Fendi one on the website is expensive. You can buy a strap from Amazon as well. So let's say I have it like this. I'm going to stand up so you guys can see how it looks like. So if you want to have it as a shoulder bag, you can have it like this, which is not bad, isn't it? Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, okay. And like a cross bag, you can cross it like this. So let's say depending on where you're going, you just want to be hands free, you can have it as a cross bag. So like let's say you have the chain, you put it inside the bag, so when you're tired of holding it as a handheld, you can put the adjustable strap and wear it and makes your hands free. So yeah, this is that. I love how versatile it is. So they did well. I love how they give you the options to choose what you want to choose. Some days like a handheld, and some days like a cross bag or like a shoulder bag. Okay, and you can have it like this as well. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, it is very nice. If you are able to get the suitable strap for this bag, like the one that is adjustable strap, you can have it as a waist bag, which is good. So yeah, you can have it like this, or you can put it by the side. Yeah. Oh, I'm impressed on the versatility of this bag. I'm impressed. Yeah. And then you can, let's say the strap is adjustable, so it's not too long like this. You can have it like this and the strap is like that, or so you can have it like this, isn't it? Isn't that cool? Yeah, very cool, very beautiful. I love it. Ah, yeah. So guys, I'm impressed on this handbag because I wasn't expecting this bag to fit in so much things. I was expecting it to fit like little or nothing because they said nano. And when they say nano is very small, they always have a small bag, but this one is nano, like a baby bag. So I wasn't expecting it to fit so much things inside it, but it does. Yeah, it surprised me because when I wanted to buy this for the first time, I was like, it's like having a bag but you don't have a bag, isn't it? Why will you be having a bag but you can't put like most of your essentials inside? But this bag surprised me because if it can hold everything that I showed you guys, yeah, on how small it is, because it's meant to be on your wrist. Yeah, because you're meant to wear it on your wrist like this. Yeah, because I have so much things inside the bag was able to sit on my wrist. When I tried it before, I have nothing inside this bag. Then when I put it on my wrist, it's falling out. But now it can hold because it has so much things inside it that gives it weight to sit on my wrist. So yeah, so you have it like this. Yeah. Or you can make it like this as well. So can you see how unique and versatile this bag is? So I love how the accessory is gold, that is not silver. Yeah, and this bag comes in different colors, so you can check their website and see so many colors that the bag comes with. So yeah, so comment and tell me what you think about this bag, if it's worth the price. I'm going to link the bag in the info section, so if something like you can have a glance of it. Yeah, so I feel like when you put so much thing inside the bag, it might make the leather to crease. Yeah, but like me doing it like this, I can see some crease already on the bag. So you don't need to put too much stuff inside the, just put something that you know that you need. So that's what I will say about this bag. Yeah, and it has this edge, like if you want to sit it by the side, this place will be sitting. Yeah, we make it to sit not like here. It can only be sit like this. Yeah, or like this. So like this is like for you to show off, isn't it? So like for proper sitting, this is how it's going to sit, and the strap cover. So this is like a fashion show. Yeah, where you are going, you just have it like, yeah, simple but nice, isn't it? Yeah. Tell me what you think about this bag. Yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts on this bag. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this Fendi review bag, give this video a big like, subscribe to my channel for more, and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And check out my other videos because I have other interesting videos you will like. I'm going to link it down below and on my end screen. See you on my next video. It's your babe Asanwa. Bye guys, love you. And I love how they have Fendi print all over this paper.